new evolution in mid-weight adventure. The 2026 Honda Transalp XL750 enters the adventure segment with stronger refinement, sharper engineering, and a design philosophy aimed at real-world riders. Built to bridge city convenience with long-distance adventure grit, the Transalp remains a symbol of toughness and practicality. In this review by Wheelhouse, the motorcycle is explored from every angle: engine performance, chassis balance, comfort, and modern technology. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Transalp XL750 beats Honda's revised 755 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine. For 2026, Honda improves combustion efficiency and throttle precision, resulting in smoother acceleration and better low-end response. The engine remains energetic yet refined, delivering lively mid-range torque that makes climbing hills, overtaking traffic, and off-road exploration easier and more enjoyable. The updated airflow system contributes to cooler running temperatures on extended rides, and the fuel mapping ensures better efficiency. Honda focuses on making the power accessible for both newer riders and seasoned travelers. Transmission and riding modes. The 6-speed gearbox remains crisp and predictable, with revised gearing for 2026 to improve torque delivery at lower speeds. Multiple ride modes, including rain, standard, sport, and gravel, allow the Transalp to adapt to different riding conditions. Each mode adjusts power, traction control, engine braking, and throttle sensitivity. Honda's optional quickshifter for 2026 delivers faster, smoother clutchless upshifts, perfect for riders who want more dynamic performance on or off the highway. Chassis and suspension. The 2026 model continues to use a lightweight steel diamond frame, but Honda has reinforced structural rigidity for improved handling. The Showa 43mm SFFCA inverted front forks and Pro-Link rear shock provide balanced travel, capable of managing potholes, dirt tracks, and long stretches of highway. The Transalp's suspension tuning favors comfort without sacrificing stability at higher speeds. Whether gliding over gravel or leaning confidently into corners, the XL750 behaves predictably and remains steady, traits that adventure riders appreciate. Design and aerodynamics. Honda sticks to the classic Transalp identity: upright stance, tall windscreen, wide handlebars, and adventure-ready geometry. For 2026, the bodywork receives sharper lines, improved LED lighting, and slight aerodynamic refinements that reduce buffeting at highway speeds. The slim midsection makes it easy for different riders to find their footing, and the seat design offers a blend of width for comfort and taper for control. The fairing directs airflow around the body, helping reduce fatigue during long-distance rides. Wheels, tires, and braking. The XL750 continues with its dual-purpose 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear setup, ideal for adventure touring. Whether navigating mud, sand, or wet asphalt, the Transalp's traction feels reassuring. Braking performance is handled by dual 310mm front discs with dual piston calipers and a 256mm rear disc, all equipped with advanced ABS. For 2026, ABS calibration is improved to respond quicker when riding on uneven surfaces or slippery terrain. Ergonomics and rider comfort remains a strong point for the 2026 Transalp. The upright ergonomics, balanced seat height, and natural reach to the handlebars make long hours on the saddle feel easier. Honda reshaped the seat foam this year, adding more density and support. Wind protection is enhanced through a redesigned windscreen, minimizing fatigue during long rides. The foot peg placement and overall rider triangle feel optimized for both standing off-road and relaxed cruising on highways. Technology and rider aids. Honda adds several tech upgrades for 2026. The bike includes a full-color TFT display with improved brightness and a simplified interface. Smartphone connectivity supports navigation, call notifications, music, and Honda's ride management features. Rider aids include Honda selectable torque control, wheelie control, advanced ABS settings, and cruise control. These features ensure the XL750 feels modern and competitive in the adventure market. Fuel efficiency and touring capability. The 2026 Transalp XL750 is built for distance. With improved fuel mapping and a generous 16.9-liter tank, long-distance touring becomes more efficient. Riders can expect excellent range whether exploring highways or rough backcountry routes. Luggage mounting points are integrated more cleanly, making it easy to add panniers and top boxes. Honda's focus on practicality continues to be a highlight of the Transalp lineup. Off-road confidence. Thanks to its strong chassis geometry, long travel suspension, and responsive throttle mapping, the 2026 XL750 handles off-road situations with confidence. Gravel, forest trails, or rocky paths feel manageable, and the motorcycle maintains predictable behavior even in rough conditions. The gravel riding mode enhances traction and power delivery, allowing riders to explore more adventurous terrain without overwhelming the bike. Why the 2026 Transalp XL750 stands out among mid-weight adventure bikes. The 2026 Transalp XL750 stands out because of its balance. It's powerful without being demanding, comfortable without feeling bulky, and technologically advanced without overwhelming new riders. Honda continues to deliver reliability, efficiency, and real-world usability, qualities that make the Transalp a dependable partner for both commuting and world travel. Conclusion: a true adventure all-rounder. The 2026 Honda Transalp XL750 solidifies its position as a capable and dependable adventure machine. With refined performance, advanced technology, and comfortable long-distance ergonomics, it strikes the perfect balance between city practicality and rugged exploration. For riders seeking a mid-weight adventure bike that delivers confidence in any environment, the Transalp XL750 stands strong as one of Honda's most complete offerings. Presented proudly by Wheelhouse, this review celebrates the blend of modern engineering and classic adventure spirit.